In the golden sands of the Islamic Golden Age, amidst the bustling intellectual hubs of Baghdad and Damascus, emerged a philosopher whose thoughts would echo through time. Abu Nasr Muhammad Al-Farabi, known in the West as Alphebius, was not just a thinker. He was a bridge between civilizations, a harmonizer of philosophies, and a beacon of enlightenment. Born around 870 in the region of Farab, Al-Farabi's quest for knowledge took him on a journey through the vast landscapes of the mind. He delved into the works of Aristotle and Plato, not merely to understand them, but to expand upon them, to breathe new life into their ideas within the context of the Islamic world one. Al-Farabi's magnum opus, the enumeration of the sciences Kitab al-Ulum, is a testament to his encyclopedic knowledge and his belief in the unity of all sciences. He saw music not just as an art, but as a science of harmony that mirrors the celestial order one. His Virtuous City era, Al-Madina, Al-Fadila, is a philosophical masterpiece that envisions a society governed by reason and virtue, echoing Plato's Republic, yet uniquely his own one. But Al-Farabi's contributions were not confined to the abstract. He was a practical musician, a logician, and a political theorist. He believed in the power of reason over revelation, arguing that philosophy provides a clearer path to truth, a controversial stance that positioned him as a bold and original thinker too. As we reflect on Al-Farabi's legacy, we see a man who was more than a philosopher. He was a cultural translator, interpreting and synthesizing Greek thought into the Islamic philosophical tradition, influencing generations from Avicenna to Maimonides. He was the second teacher, second only to Aristotle, and his teachings continue to inspire those who seek wisdom across divides one. In the spirit of Al-Farabi, let us to strive to be bridges between cultures, between disciplines, between the ancient and the modern. For in the synthesis of ideas, in the dialogue between worlds, lies the path to a deeper understanding and a more virtuous society.